half of trade, so we'll be looking out for that as well. That's the first tick for you. It's quiet actually, but with a bit of a green hue. So the Nifty is up about 35 odd points. The mid caps are up about 110 points. The bank Nifty is splitting between the red and the green line. So do keep that on your radar. HCL Tech ahead of its numbers is actually up about 2 odd percent. Infosys is moving on from the president of Infosys resignation. Not too much concern over there. Wipro, TCS. In fact, all IT stocks are in the green right now, followed by Adani Group stocks, Adani Ports. You have Asian Paints. There is Nestle India, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finserv, NTPC that are topping the charts this morning on the green side. On the downside, as I said, the Bank Nifty is a bit of a drag. Nothing alarming. It's just down about 20 odd points at the start. ICICI Bank is the one that is dragging its feet a tad bit. ONGC, Reliance, L&T, Maruti Suzuki and Bajaj Finserv are a couple of other stocks that are in the red. There's no great directional move in the market, but let's not forget that yesterday we saw a deep sell-off in late trade. So perhaps that could kick in today as well. But for now, the start for the Nifty is quiet, very, very quiet start to trade right.
Okay, it is very quiet in terms of start, absolutely 15 points, so not very much going on at all. You know, you got Delta Corp, which is up about a third of 1.33%. We were talking about that with regards to numbers which are strong. So that is indeed starting higher. Let me just highlight a bunch of other names which are moving around. Liberty Shoes, I think Sonia mentioned, is up 8.5 odd percent. It's coming up with strong volumes. There is Kalyan Jewelry, which is up 1%. We had the management with us earlier. Markson's Pharma is coming up with an 8.5% move. Again, I mean, volumes are low, but for this time of the day, it's coming up as the top traded names. JMC Projects is up 3.5. JP Associates is starting higher. But again, volumes are nothing to write home about. We're beginning with a 2:1 advances to decline ratio. So that is good, broader markets. India Cements sold off some 7-8%. It's down another 2% today. On volumes, there is Mazgaon Dock, which was down 7%. It's down another 1%. So in some of these things, there is some follow-through which happens. Z is down almost 1% now, 270 on Z. And you got Hindalco, which is down about 1 odd percent as well. AU Bank, maybe you can throw in there, which is down 1%. Biocon is down nearly 2% now. So these are initial starting rates. I mean, for the Nifty, it's neither here nor there. Flat at basically at about the 17,000 mark, almost unchanged from yesterday. Mangalam, anything else?
A bunch of stocks. You know, you spoke about Markson's Pharma. Yesterday in dying hours of trade, we got the news that they've entered into a business transfer agreement with Teva Farm to acquire the business related to manufacture and supply of bulk pharmaceutical formulations. That's one of them. The other bunch of stocks I'm watching out for, Suzlon is doing well.